Okay guys, just 5 minutes to go. There you go. Welcome Rotonda. Welcome Williams Lake, guys. Finally. Yay. Brother Donald, Sister Isa, here we come. In 5 minutes. Congrats sa baby.
Ain't over till it's over lang.
The journey is over. Going to Williams Lake, British Columbia, guys. This is it. This is what we asked for. This okay. Sharp turn, habibi. Be careful. So kakanan ka na dyan din. This is my stoplight. Stoplight. 1.9 kilometers. 1.9 kilometers pa. Tagal-tagal pa. 1.9 kilometers sa baby. So may stoplight. Kakanan ka doon. Paglampas mo ng stoplight. So lalampasan mo muna yung stoplight. Carson Drive. Yun yung tinutukoy ni sister. This is Isa dear. Carson Drive. Overlooking. Lapit na kami guys. Yun guys yung tinutukoy ni Sister Isa. Carson Drive. Yes. We have it. Oh nice guys. Pero kasi we're being covered by the trees. Okay. Dito ka na. Lapit ka na sa ano. Sa stoplight. Williams Lake. Yay. Finally. Lalampasan mo yan.
Stay in the second lane from right.
Yes. Lalampas ka dyan sa stoplight, habibi, ha? Here we go. Malaki-laki ang community nila, my love. Look at that, no? See? Malaki.
Turn right onto Carson Drive.
Signal. Yeah, that's it. Bababa siya, baby. Just straight, ha? Just straight. Okay. Down.
In 600 meters, turn left onto 5th Avenue North.
Okay. Steep, you know. The road is steep. Oh boy, oh boy. Hindi mag-ano ka. How many... Grabe dito yung daan, may love. Sobrang steep.
Kaya naman yung buglan siya talaga mga maano lang. Yung matatanggal yung gulong.
Super downhill guys. Super downhill. Yes. Tapos dyan sa dulo, kakaliwa ka, habibi.
Turn left onto 5th Avenue North.
Yes.
Then take the first right onto Proctor Street.
Yun din. Stop.
Stop sign.
Wala. Okay. Just on the other side. Sorry,
Why
baby.
kita eh.
Sorry, baby.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Proctor Street.
Turn right at the stop sign. Lapit na. 1 minute to go. Guys,
Ito four-way
lapit
talaga.
na. Farmers Market.
In 400 meters, turn right onto 1st Avenue North.
Hindi tayo nakabili ng
Thank you,
ano,
Jesus.
ng
Keeping us safe.
pang flow circular. Yaman na, mag-aano na lang ako. Yes. Pang third stop, ayan, kakanan ka. This is the first stop. Second stop.
Go past the stop sign, then at the next one, turn right.
Okay, stop.
Thank you Lord for keeping
Then
us safe.
on the next stop, turn right.
At the stop sign, turn right onto 1st Avenue North. Then the destination is on your right.
Bahay nila, love.
Ah, that building ba siya? Tingnan natin, makita natin yung sasakyan ni Senator. Kulay pula yun.
Four-way, no? Ayun,
Yes.
sa kanya doon.
Asan? Hindi ko makita. Ayun, okay. Saka pa-park dito sa likod niya.
Dyan lang,
Okay. Signal. Ayan, sa likod na lang ni Senator. Igilin mo pa masyado. Ayan na.
The destination is on your right.
Ah,